Alright guys, so a couple things have been done. As you can see, I put in these last two welded tabs, and I'll put a link in the description below for those tabs if you guys are looking for them. And then I went along and threw Pour 15 throughout the whole subframe, and man, well, how good do you think this looks?
Brand new.
It actually did an amazing job, as you can see through the camera. I mean, I didn't do the best job painting it. I just had a thick ass brush and just caking it on there, and then I went along and whatever was a bit rusty, like that guy over there, I just went over and just did a good coat on it. And yeah, and all those brackets now have paint on them, a nice thick coat of Pour 15. Yeah, it just looks really good. I'm gonna go on the other side, show you guys from the other side. Alright guys, so here it is from this side. Looking pretty good. Some of it's drying, some of it's not. As you can see, I missed a few spots, like right there. I'll go over in a second. And yeah, it just turned out really well. Just look how shiny the whole subframe is right now. There's a few spots I didn't do just because I had a really thick brush. Just didn't want to do it. And yeah, and there's the other little tab. As you can see, my welds aren't that perfect, but hey, I'm still learning and I got nothing to be ashamed of. Alright guys, so I also went over and painted the ladder brace. This is a 94 to 97 ladder brace, in case you guys are wondering. That's gonna dry up beautifully. There's the Pour 15 and the thick brush that I was using. So yeah, my bad, it wasn't perfect. But yeah, you know, touched up a few other spots, like the tips of these. And yeah, car's looking good. To get the transmission out, it did suck. We did have to get the downpipe off, so that kind of blows. Downpipe and the external wastegate, little pipe there. But yeah, it's not too bad. Car still looks good. Oop, almost falling. But yeah. This is a video for you guys, but as you can tell, I was expecting to do a lot more, but I can't really do anything. So I'm just gonna hold off on everything else and see where it goes. But hope you guys like the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Sorry for the short video this week, guys, but the clutch still hasn't come, and I'm just waiting on that so I can throw it in for you guys and get this baby ripping. But stay tuned for next week. There's a lot more to come.